Absolutely, Arnab. It's very unfortunate, what the ambassador said, because you see that man hanging from the Black Hawk helicopter. That was a message that the Taliban wanted to send to the world. An American paid Afghan hanging from an American helicopter. And also, Arnab, the Americans, we have a saying in the army, leave no man behind. They gave the entire data of the people who worked with the US Army to the Taliban. They did not erase that data. Apart from giving weapons, apart from giving billions of dollars of sophisticated weaponry, apart from coming back to square one after 20 years and $2 billion and thousands of lives later, the fact of the matter is America is no safer than it was at 9/11, Arnab. We'll take care of ourselves. Forget about India. Forget about India. We'll take care of ourselves. We've been taking care of ourselves forever and ever. But what did America achieve? Today, Islamic State Khorasan is there. There are 6,000 to 10,000 foreign fighters who do not owe allegiance to the Taliban who are there. There are Tajiks, Arnab, there are Arabs there, there are Chechen there, there are so many foreign fighters there, foreign terrorists. Is America any safer? It's not. And then you have sold the Afghans down the line. You've sold them down the river, the Afghans who helped the Americans, who put their life on the line. You betrayed the trust of the Afghans. That man hanging on the helicopter, that man trusted the Americans and he was sold. That's my point, Arnab, and that's the grim reality.
I bring in Lisa Curtis as well, Professor Madhav Nalapat. The different set of visuals and very, 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 very deliberate viewers. By the way, those pictures you see of soldiers in that special forces kind of uniform, the visuals are not of American special forces personnel, viewers. Those visuals, let's play them, is of the Badri 313 Taliban. Badri 313 Taliban Special Forces Unit. This is fully American choppers, Chinook choppers, American equipment, American night vision goggles, American rifles. This is all paid for by American taxpayers. The group that took over there today, these are American taxpayer paid weaponized terrorists who are operating freely right now, viewers, and I'm deliberately showing the visuals on the left and the right. You would not be able to distinguish the two. On the left are the Taliban and on the right are the US Armed Forces. They look exactly the same. They have been trained, they behave, they wear the same uniform, and they've been created by the Americans. So the Americans should be very, very worried. If they actually think that the problem is getting limited, it's not. It's just that the Americans have weaponized a more dangerous enemy to deal with in years to come. And now they're hoping that this is going to end here. Lisa.